Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. Well, anyway, I'm just gonna give you a simple recipe for breakfast in the morning. We're not giving up. We're keeping the faith. It's just some spinach and some frozen fruits, and also apple and ginger and lime juice. It's amazing. You have something like this in the morning for breakfast. You just fill it up, and remember, it's good to have something like this in the morning. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and also visit my blog website chefricardocooking.com. And remember, my new cooking book coming very soon, and also Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook like page. Thank you so much, and see you next time, my friends. Bye bye. Lovely. So basically, this is gonna be a breakfast recipe. Empty blender right here, smoothie blender, and all they're gonna do, 1 handful of spinach. I love my spinach. Don't care what no one wanna say. Straight inside of it like this. I love spinach. It's really good. Basically, this is some mixed fruits that I have. Two things: you can either buy the frozen one, or you can buy the fresh one. This one is some frozen fruits which I have left back. It got blueberry, blackberry, and strawberry, and some rosemary inside of it. Just buy a pack of mixed fruits and you get all of these inside of it, and it's just really healthy and nice. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it inside straight with the spinach. Look at that. That is fantastic, guys. Then few pieces of ice, little bit of lime juice. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Fantastic. Get all of the flavor out of this lime. Lovely. Sometimes I remove the skin from the ginger, sometimes I doesn't, but I'm just gonna remove the skin, because when the skin is moved, it just, you know what I mean, not too spicy to burn you, just fresh and nice. Straight inside of it, just a little piece of a ginger. Apple, I'm gonna be using half, and then 2 pieces more ice. What I'm gonna do is to remove the skin from the apple. Very nice when you remove the skin from the apple. Then cut it up very small. Straight in like this. Half glass of water. Tomorrow morning breakfast. You can have it for that, guys. Lovely. And it's really nice. Then honey. Need some more honey. 1 teaspoon. Nice one. Cover your nice lovely Ninja blender and blend this to about 4 to 5 seconds. Sometimes it takes 4 to 5 minutes. It depends on the kind of blender you're using. This one will be very quickly. And that's because nice. Just finish blend it, and basically what I'm gonna do, this is the way it looks, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. This is looking so lovely and nice. I'm gonna pull it now, and then oh man, the scent of it. If you like the recipe, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please leave your comments. It's a very easy recipe which you can make at home, and honestly guys, I know you will love it. Beautiful recipe, very easy and simple. And thank you so much for watching my show.